All right, let's do a short time value of money problem. I always do this one when I'm teaching the course is live or on Zoom because it's an easier way to demonstrate the relationships between term and rate. So you can see in your workbook, the problem says you're going to borrow $100,000. That's the present value. The interest rate on the note is going to be 12% per year or per annum. And the amortization term is going to be 30 years. Your task is to solve for the monthly payment. So the key presses are written in your book. This is how you solve this problem. The first thing we're going to do is preset the device for the desired 12 payments per year or monthly payments. We do it this way. Type in the number 12, press the gold key, and then the top row, press the payment key. And you can see right below the number 12 in your display in the upper left-hand corner, you can see payments per year 12. That's what you want. Next step, press gold key, clear all. That clears everything out of the device. So we're preset for the correct number of payments per year, and we've cleared the device. Now we'll enter our three variables. First one being the loan amount, which is $100,000. And you can see in the display, it says $100,000. Now tap the PV button to enter that value into the PV register. And you can see right above the PV register on this device, it shows you the 100,000. Now I'm going to type in 12 and then tap the IYR key for interest. You can see that shows up, at least on this device, right above the IYR. That is the annual interest rate. I explain what I'm going to tell you next more in Does It Pencil courses, but for now, just remember this. Interest is always converted by the number of payments per year. I know that probably doesn't make sense to you. We talk about it more in the other courses. Now let's enter the amortization term, which is 30 years. Do it this way. 30, gold key, N, and now you see 360 in your display. This is another conversion in time value of money that the device does. Again, I'll explain this more in the other courses, but we've entered three variables, the present value, the rate, and the term. Now we solve for the fourth by pressing the PMT key right here, and the answer is negative $1,028.61 per month.